Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are out and about with my family. Initially it wasn't the plan. It was just the plan to take the kids to the park. But when we saw the glorious sun, we thought we'll go out for a long walk. So I've just filmed this short video to share with you. Hope you will like it and I'll show you out and about. So keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel with your friends and family. And happy watching. I'll take you around.
After breakfast, we decided to take kids out to the park, and as it was snowing last night and they wanted to play in snow. But the plan changed and we thought, why not go for a walk? So we made our way, and on the way we called two people, special people, Adil and Arsalan, who guided us to this beautiful place, but they also warned us about the traffic and the parking space. And we headed towards Longdendale Trail. Finally, when we reached there, we couldn't find any parking space. So we had to move again on the road. Going towards the trail, we parked our car alongside the road and kids came out of the car to enjoy the scenery, which was extremely beautiful. Finally, we reached the place. This trail runs around 6.5 miles for walks, cycles and ride, and is an excellent trail, especially for families and beginners. My children enjoy so much in open spaces and they love to explore and enjoy the nature. This trail runs alongside a series of beautiful reservoirs. It has fine views of lovely rolling hills and countryside for the duration of the route. It was mostly sunny, but we did get some cloudy patches and some cold winds. Musa's and Eliza's excitement was over the moon when they saw so many muddy puddles along the track. They couldn't help themselves. We just walked a mile or so as their tiny legs got tired, but they definitely had loads of fun. We always enjoy my children's questions regarding nature, wildlife, and life skills, and the best way they learn is when they are outdoors. On the way back to the car park, Eliza started collecting the pine cones, which she decided that she will take home and paint them. So this was our short trip to the Longdendale trail. There is more beauty further down the trail, which we will explore some other time. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. See you all soon. Bye.